Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to chrome in Photoshop. First, open your image or create a new document. Then, add a new layer and fill it with a medium gray, like 50% gray. This provides a good base for the metallic look. We'll build the chrome effect on this layer, ensuring your original image remains untouched. This method is straightforward and yields impressive results quickly. Next, we'll add some metallic texture. Go to Filter, Render, and select Difference Clouds. This creates a cloudy, marbled pattern. Immediately after, navigate to Filter, Filter Gallery, and choose the Chrome filter. Experiment with the detail and smoothness sliders to achieve a realistic, reflective surface. These steps are crucial for that authentic chrome appearance. To enhance the reflections, duplicate your chrome layer and change its blend mode to overlay. This intensifies the highlights and shadows. Add a levels adjustment layer above it to fine-tune the contrast, making the brights brighter and the darks darker. A subtle Gaussian blur around 0.5 to 0 pixels can then soften any overly sharp areas, giving a smoother, more polished finish. For the final touches, you can add a hue/saturation adjustment layer to introduce a color tint, if desired, making your chrome gold, blue, or any other hue. A curves adjustment layer allows for precise control over the overall brightness and contrast. Group all your chrome layers together for easy organization. Now you have a fantastic chrome effect ready for your designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.